In this tutorial, I will show you how to see old Google Map Street View. So let's get started. Open your browser and go to maps.google.com. In the search box, type your location or address, then hit enter. In the bottom right corner, drag the yellow fragment icon onto your location. This will open Street View mode. Now you can see the current Street View. If the oldest Street View available, you will see here on the top left corner, see more dates. Click on that. This will open a slider on the bottom. You can drag the slider and you can see the oldest Google Map Street View. For this location, it's July 2007 available. Click on this image and this will open the old Google Map Street View. That's how we can see the old Google Map Street View. You can also see the available dates 2015, 2014, 2012 for this place. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.